Crystallography. What is crystallography? The branch of science that deals with the geometric description of crystals and their internal arrangement. Crystallography is essential for solid-state physics. Symmetry of a crystal can have a profound influence on its properties. Any crystal structure should be specified completely, concisely and unambiguously. Structures should be classified into different types according to the symmetries they possess. Elementary crystallography. A basic knowledge of crystallography is essential for solid-state physicists. To specify any crystal structure and to classify the solids into different types according to the symmetries they possess. Symmetry of a crystal can have a profound influence on its properties.